Hey guys, welcome back to another food vlog. Let's get it started. Here are all the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe, which I've also listed for you in the description below. For your veggies, you're going to go ahead and chop them up just like this, but don't forget to peel your zucchini. Today we're using ground turkey, but feel free to use ground beef or even ground chicken. I'm turning on my stove to medium-high. And then I'm gonna add about 2 pounds of this 3-pound package.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
Now I'm going to go ahead and break up the meat so that it cooks evenly. I also went ahead and filled my pot about halfway with water so that I can start boiling the lasagna noodles. Now for our seasonings. 1.5 tablespoons of garlic salt. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Optional chili powder is just a dash. Half a tablespoon of onion powder. Optional dash of garlic powder. Mix it up. You're going to add all of your veggies except for the zucchini. Now it's time to boil our lasagna. Now you're going to add your can of diced tomatoes. You're also going to add your can of tomato sauce. Now's the time to add your zucchini. Now you can add your favorite pasta sauce. Today I'm using Ragu, and I'm only using about 1/4 of the jar. Now I'm covering the sauce with basil. Give it a good mix. Turn down the heat. When your noodles are done, you can drain them and let them cool a bit. Lay down the first layer of pasta. Spread the cottage cheese over the pasta. Add your meat sauce. Then sprinkle with cheddar jack cheese. We're almost done, guys. Go ahead and repeat for the second layer, only this time top it with cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Cover it with aluminum and place it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 375. Finally, guys, it's all done. Now let's dig in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more food vlogs.